Hello friends, welcome to your very own channel. Today we will be discussing about Capacit Infra share. As you already know that the Capacit Infra share price is falling drastically and there are so many questions arising in the mind of retail investors that why it is falling, where is the next support and how much it may fall. In this video, I will try to answer all those questions with full technical and fundamental analysis. So friends, let's start with Capacit Infra share price analysis. Before we start, please read the disclaimer, it is very important. Welcome back to the video friends. Here we are in the technical chart of Capacit Infra share. But as you know, for investing money in any kind of share in long term or medium term, only doing technical analysis is not sufficient. For investing with confidence, we have to also do a full fundamental analysis. And today also we will be doing the same thing for Capacit Infra share. And for that, we will go to screener.in. So friends, we have come to screener.in and we are in the fundamental page of Capacit Infra Projects Limited. Here you can see the book value of Capacit Infra share is around 137 rupees and the current market price is 139 rupees. The 139 rupees is yesterday's price. Today's closing price is around 152 rupees. So it is 152 rupees, and if I calculate current market price to book value ratio with 152, it is coming around 1.1x, which is considered as a healthy premium and it is actually trading in an attractive price. But friends, if we see the ROC of Capacit Infra share, it is coming around 6.07%, which is way below our reference margin, that is 15%, and it is also below 10%. So I will rate this as a negative point. And the ROE of Capacit Infra share is also 0.07%, which is way below 10 also. Means it is near zero. It is also a very negative point. I will mark it as double negative. And apart from that, the company is not paying any kind of dividend to its shareholders, which is also a negative point. Because if the company is not providing dividend, that means the company is not having any confidence on its future income. So friends, after considering this basic fundamental and all the figures of ROE, ROCE and dividend payout, now we can see the price 152 is not at all attractive. Although the stock price is trading around 1.1x premium, but this type of bad figures are making this price too much costly. So it is evident that we cannot buy this stock as 152 rupees because it is showing too much costly in terms of its fundamentals. So friends, now we will go to the quarterly statement or quarterly financial statement of this stock to see that if there is any kind of hope in medium term or in short term. So let me take you to the quarterly statement or quarterly P&L of this stock. Now we are in the quarterly result of Capacit Infra share, and as you know that the Capacit Infra is a realty company, and in time of lockdown the company was nearly shut down, means there was no work for them. So the result of June 2020 and September 2020 do not matter much for us because lockdown was going on or lockdown was imposed in these 2 quarters. So in time of analyzing the quarterly result, we will ignore the quarterly result of these 2 quarters. Now, for sales, I am seeing that in June 2021, the total sales was 279 crore rupees. But if I compare this sales figure from 2018 sales figure, you can see that this sales figure is the lowest in last 3 years. So friends, the sales figure is itself a negative point. The operating profit of June 2021 is around 39.34, which is also the lowest in last 3 years. So friends, it is also showing us a negative point. And moreover, if you see the interest payout, then it is coming around 16 crore rupees, which is nearly half of its operating profit. So friends, this is also a very negative point. So with the analysis of this quarterly result of Capacit Infra, you can understand that there is no hope for medium or short term. But still we have to focus on long term and see if there is any hope in long term also. Now for long-term analysis, I have come to the newspaper Business Standard, and there was an article in 23rd August 2021 which is showing us that the India Rating and Research Company, which is a leading customer rating company, has downgraded the long-term issuer rating of this company from IND A to IND D. So friends, this is a 3-step downgrade, means it is downgrading from IND A to IND D. And this 3-step downgrade has also put a negative outlook on its long-term issuance. So friends, as per the leading credit rating company, the long-term outlook for Capacit Infra is also on the negative side. So by looking all these things, all these fundamentals, we can assume that the investment in Capacit Infra will be very risky at this moment. So right now we'll go to the technical chart of Capacit Infra share and we'll try to figure out a decent price in which we may buy Capacit Infra share and get a decent amount of profit. So friends, let me take you to the technical chart of Capacit Infra share. Now we have come to the technical chart of Capacit Infra share, and here I have taken a daily time frame chart. And if I draw all my studies over here, you may see these three lines, these three technical support lines. This is the support zone which I have identified from historical level, and the support zone range is in between 85 rupees to 100 rupees. As I have already shown you in fundamental analysis that the current market price 152 rupees is quite high and we cannot invest in this stock in 152 rupees price. And from historical price movement, whatever we can see in the chart, we have identified this price range which may act as a good amount of support, because this has been identified with a method that is called 75% method. This method tells that whenever the current market price of any stock come to near the 75% of its book value, we may see a significant amount of jump in the share for short term. And the price range which I have identified as 85 rupees to 100 rupees price range, it is coming around 75% of its current book value, that is 139 rupees. So we are expecting that if the price falls down in this support zone, you may see a decent amount of pullback on the upside. But do not expect it to go above the high. It will not go there. It may give you a 5 to 7% of pullback from this area. And if we are taking any trade from this support zone, our SL must be below 65 rupees. I have already marked it with the red line that even if we buy this share at 100 rupees, our SL should be below 65 rupees. But friends, if you are not holding this share right now, do not buy this share at its current price. The current price is too much expensive. And if you are holding the share in your demat and you are thinking that how much it may fall, my assumption is that it may fall to 100 rupees or 85 rupees also. And holding this share in your demat may cost you significant amount of losses. So friends, it's conclude that if you are not holding, do not buy this stock before 100 rupees. Friends, if you like the content of this video, then please like this video on YouTube, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you get instant notification about our upcoming videos. Also, if you need any kind of live market guidance, you may join our Telegram channel, and in discussion board, you may post your question and queries. We will try to answer all those questions and queries as soon as possible. This is absolutely free service. There is no charges for this service. You can find our Telegram channel link below this video and in the description of this video. So friends, that's all for today's video. We'll definitely meet in our next educational video.